Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the Crosstrek is built to last. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, LED headlights, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, remote engine start, traction control, stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.